Welcome back. In the previous video, we covered the initial stages of the procurement process, including material request and purchase intent. In this video, we will continue for request for quotation through to purchase order. Once the materials are approved for purchase, the next step is to gather pricing from the market. Here, RFQ. Request for quotation. In this step, we send formal request to vendors to obtain pricing for the required materials. For example, the requested date, the materials, the project, and this we can initially create an item here for the quotation, or as in the previous video, we have created a material request and a purchase intent. We have raised a purchase intent. Now these I have added it. Now we select the vendors here. This is Ravi, Naidu, and Suman. We save it here. We have successfully created a request for quotation. Now moving on, here we record and maintain the quotations received from multiple vendors, including their prices or terms. We add a quotation here. We'll add a quotation. We select the date, the material, the first vendor, it should be delivered by 14 days, currency in Indian, here we enter the price that we have inquired. Base price is 1200. There's no discount here. As you can see, the type of tax, whether it is inclusive or exclusive, tax type 5%, and these are the additional charges for the table. Like each vendor has its own travel charges, packing charges, insurances. So this vendor maybe 230, and there's no other additional charges. After the price quotation, we'd also negotiate the payment terms, whether the payment will be paid completely or in installments. Here, advance 50% of the amount. And the due date is 10 days. As you've seen the error that the payment terms must be total of 100%, but here all the installments are need to be recorded here. Another advance of 50%. In same 10 days. As you've seen, the all installments are need to be recorded here rather than maintaining it partially. Now the purchase quotation has been successfully completed. Moving on, compare quotation. This is where we bring all the vendors' quotations side by side and terms and reliability. For example, we create a new compare quotation here, the material, we load the data. As you can see, this is the item, the tables that we have initially requested for, and these are the 3 vendors, Naidu, Ravi and Sumant. As you can see, the prices, and also it recommends based on the prices, because the prices vary from each other. Now I would select Naidu, this vendor, and I would proceed further. Now we have completed the compare quotation. That wraps up the request of quotation stage, where we gather vendors' quotes, recorded them, and finalize the most suitable option here. So in the next video, we will move into the purchasing stage, where we place the official purchase order and begin the receiving progress.